Good morning, students. Myself Vishnudat Upadhyay is going to explain English chapter 2 January night. This is short story translated by David Rubin. January night is originally called Poos Ki Raat, the name of the month in the Hindu calendar, and is written by Premchand. जनवरी नाइट डेविड रूबिन द्वारा इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट की गई है और ये मुंशी प्रेमचंद की कहानी पूस की रात से लिया गया है और इसमें एक गरीब किसान हल्कू और उसकी पत्नी मुन्नी की कहानी है। हल्कू was a poor farmer. He did farming in the field of a landlord. One day, landlord came to Halku to take the rent and tax of his field. Halku brought money from his wife to pay landlord, but his wife had only 3 rupees and she wanted to buy a blanket for Halku to go to the field in January night. And Halku wanted to pay the money of landlord because landlord would insult him. At last his wife Munni gave him all money which she had in the small hole of a wall. The landlord went away after taking money. In the dark January night, Halku went to look after his field. His pet dog Jabra also went along with him to the field. Halku loved and patted on the cold back of Jabra and told him that he might be at house. The cold was increasing and Halku tried to sleep hugging Jabra tightly. Another hour passed. In the night, Halku was feeling cold. He went to collect dry leaves in the garden close to his field. At the same time, Jabra was chewing a bone. Halku lit the fire and both Halku and Jabra sat before the fire. They felt hot near the fire. After some time, darkness covered the orchard again because the fire was put out. Again, cold began to spread. Jabra barked loudly and ran towards the field because he was listening the grazing sound of the animals. Halku realized that wild animals were in the field. Halku thought that with Jabra around, no animal could go into the field. Animals were destroying the crops. Jabra was barking and Halku could not go to the field due to cold and slept near the ashes of fire. When Halku woke up in the morning, the sun had risen, and Munni was telling that the whole field was ruined by animals. Both of them, Munni and Halku, felt sad and decided to leave the tenant farming. Halku was content and Munni's face was shadowed with grief. Halku thought that he would not have to sleep in the cold night.